Welcome to Weekly Rewind. This week we were treated to a few inches of snow, which made for a beautiful scene once I was able to get outside. The birds were busy going about their day, even with the snow-covered ground. I hope you enjoy watching this video highlighting my week. Thanks for supporting my channel. And don't forget to let me know if you have a favorite part of this video. Did you see any interesting wildlife this week? Is there any wildlife in this video that you'd like to learn more about? Don't forget to let me know in the comments section. I've included links to videos from my archives that I think you'll enjoy. Be sure to check them out if you have the time. Thanks for watching.